NITI, trying our best to promote the gender diversity along with the inclusivity in the manufacturing and logistics domain. And this year, there is a quantum jump in the students' admission, particularly women's admission, girls' admission in the NITI. We made this from 15% somewhere to the 20% now. Further, we are very happy and pleased to see that in days to come, the SheMaker Summit, Season 4th, will be hosted by IIM Mumbai.
NITI as an organization strongly believes in the principles of diversity, equity and inclusivity. We are fully aligned with what our Prime Minister is trying to achieve, the 5 trillion economy, and this is only possible when we get a diverse set of resources across the various sectors, including manufacturing, operations and supply chain. We also work very closely with the industry, where our students actively engage with the faculty, work on various live projects, and this actually helps the students to establish their research and academic rigor and take it forward back to the industry. And I wish that this concept of an all-inclusive environment is only possible when every individual stakeholder participates and contributes to this journey. I'm very happy to share that NITI as academic partners with SheMakers Season 4 will be hosting the event in collaboration with People Connect at NITI campus on 23rd August 2023, and I look forward to active participation of all of you and look forward to see you there. All the best.